Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Vijay and I'm a Microsoft MVP in SharePoint. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how we can download multiple files in SharePoint. We will see basically three methods on this. First one is we'll see how we can do this in a modern library. So if you are new to modern experience, then I'll put some link in the video description you can go through, and then we'll see how we can use the open with explorer option which is available for the classic SharePoint sites. So if you are using classic library, then that option will be helpful for you. And then the last one we will see is the PNP PowerShell. So how we can use PNP PowerShell to download all the documents from a document library, and we will run that and we'll see that as well. So without further delay, let me open the SharePoint site. So you can see here, here is a SharePoint online site I have. This is a modern site, and there is a training documents, is a document library where there are certain documents are available on this. And if you want to download a single file, then you have the option here. You can you can select the file and then click on download option. Even you can click over here, there is a download option which you can download it. If you want to download multiple files, you can see here 3 files I have selected here, and then there is an option which is saying download. So you click over here, and this will basically have a OneDrive. It will say OneDrive _12 like this, and then in today's date it will do, and then you will be able to save it somewhere in your local system. So you can see here when I clicked on save, and here is the file. So zip file, I'll unzip and I'll show you just quick. So now you can see I unzip it. You can see this is the folder I unzipped it, and you can see these are the files which we have selected, and this files has been downloaded. So this way we can able to download multiple files from a modern SharePoint site or a modern library. Now if I will show you, here is a classic SharePoint site, you can see here, and this is a classic library. So I click over this, and then from a modern to a classic you can come here. Now you can use the, if you'll go to the library, and then you can see here there is a open with explorer feature is there. So which will work, or which in fact will open the library in the explorer mode. From there you can download all the files. So for that you require ActiveX, and most of the Internet Explorer browsers are supporting that. So if I will open the Internet Explorer here, so let me just open Internet Explorer, the browser, and we will open the same library on this. So you can see here the same library I opened over here. It is opening in the modern site. Let me click on return to classic, so that we can see the file in the classic mode. Now you can see here this is in the classic file. Click on the library, and then library tab from the ribbon, and there you can see open with explorer is there. Click over here, and then just allow it. So now you can see here. Now if you'll see, this is it opening the entire library in the explorer mode. You can see it is showing in this way. So you can see the files, you will be able to see it here. So now if you'll see here, I will just quickly show you here. You can see 3 files are there. So that is the reason in this basically if you'll see only 3 files you can see, and you can play around with it. That means you can copy this as a block, like how we are copying files from a folder. So this way we can also copy multiple files from a SharePoint library. The other one we will see here is PNP PowerShell. So PNP PowerShell, if you are new to PNP PowerShell, then I'll put a link in the video description where you can go through how we can connect to a SharePoint site using the PNP PowerShell, how we can install it. That I'll put the link in the video description. You can have a look at this. But now what we will do here is we will open the command prompt, or the in fact I'll open PowerShell IAC here. So you can see here I'll open PowerShell IAC in the administrator mode, and once you have this, let me just copy the command here. So I'll then explain it. You can see here So now on this, basically if you'll see here, we are connecting to the SharePoint site. This is the SharePoint site where our document library is there, and I'm using huge web login, so it will open the web interface where I can select my account and then it will connect to this particular site. So once you connect to the site, then you can see here the library name I have taken in a variable get PNP folder item. See, there are a lot of PNP commands are available which you can use to work with SharePoint objects like SharePoint list, library, site, all these things. So there is a command which is get -PNP folder item, which will take the folder site relative URL, and then it will return the item type. You can see I have selected file. So this variable will have all the files from this particular library, and then we are doing a for each loop which will use the get -PNP file command, and then it will download into this particular file path. You can see the data and download, and then on which file name, it is the file name whatever there in the library. So in that file name it will save as a file. So this is the command. So I will simply click on run here. You can see there is a little window pop up. So that was basically the window which will which is taking the credentials. Now if I will open the folder here, let me just open it. So now you can see here data, let me show the path. You can see here data download and D drive data downloads, and this is the folder where it copied all the files. So you can see here the files. So all the files, it has been copied from this library to this particular folder. In this case you can see this one. So this is how we can work with multiple files, or we can download multiple files. So this script will be available in the video description. I'll put the link. Basically I have written a complete blog post for the same, so you can go through that, and all these things I have explained over there, so you can get that script and you can run it. So in PNP PowerShell it is quite easier to download documents from a particular document library. Now if you want similar kind of videos, then subscribe to our channel, like the video, and you'll get a lot of free videos on SharePoint, Office 365, Power Platform, SPFX. All these video tutorials you will get it free. So thank you and have a nice day.